Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser temperature guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the iHealth handheld thermometer for baby kids adults. This is a very fast and accurate laser temperature gun that you will find perfect for monitoring the body temperature. It is a pick that is very accurate and fast to display accurate readings of the body. In addition to this, it uses the no-contact system to bring about hygienic reading. Other than this, it is simpler and more elementary to operate for accurate results. The laser temperature gun is fitted with a large LED screen that provides an easy and efficient reading of the results. It has been ergonomically designed to allow for easy hold and use when reading the body temperature. The good thing is that the unit is widely applicable, as you can use it for reading the temperature of the food, bathing water, and more. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amplim thermometer forehead dual mode with alarm fever. Here is a perfect laser temperature gun that will provide the last readings for reference. Because of this, you can get previous readings to monitor the consistency. Second to this, it has dual measurement modes. The accurate unit uses a high-sensitivity sensor and exceptional chip, which allows for instant detection of the temperature and will display the reading. The large LCD screen provides easy reading of the results. Other than this, it has an ergonomic design, making it comfy to hold when taking the measurements of the temperature. The unit also has multiple measurement modes and great for use on the forehead and ear with no contact. At number 3, we have the smart Themo app infrared thermometers non-contact. This is a superior and accurate infrared thermometer that you will find excellent for the body temperature. More interestingly, it is an ergonomically designed unit that is simpler to hold when working. With the smart Themo app, it will transfer data that you measure to your phone via Wi-Fi. Other than this, the 16-sensor temperature infrared allows to easy detection of the temperature. Apart from this, it is a latest design of measuring temperature, making it a pick that can be used on multiple people. Also, it is an ultra-fast measuring with color code. Other than this, it is a versatile unit that can be used by the whole family, as it suits both kids and adults. At number 2, we have the Bron infrared thermometer with fever alarm. Fitted with a newest upgraded, it is a highly sensitive unit that will provide a high level of accuracy. It is a hygienic thermometer that can be used by a wide range of users with no contact. This is because it uses infrared technology that will detect the temperature of the body and display it instantly. What is more, it is a user-friendly unit that is simpler to use for quick results. More interestingly, the unit is fitted with a large LCD screen that will display the temperature readings. Additionally, it will produce a sound alarm when the temperature is higher and loud beep to alert when it is done. More interestingly, it is a safe unit that suits both kids and adults, making it a pick for the whole family. Lastly, it has a compact design to allow for convenient storage and portability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Touchless forehead thermometer. Here is a no-contact laser temperature gun that you will find great for reading the body temperature. It is, therefore, a temperature laser that will suit the whole family, since it can be used on both kids and adults. More interestingly, it is fitted with a large LCD screen that offers a clear view. Other than this, it is ergonomically designed to allow for elementary use and reading of the temperature. The laser temperature gun reads in both degrees C and F, which makes it an efficient product that will suit all users. Additionally, it is a versatile product that can be used in hospitals, industry, terminals, and more. Again, it uses the infrared heat radiation that allows for the elementary reading of the temperature. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.